Hello everyone, it's Matt here. Welcome back to another episode of Savants Tech Talk. Now, FinTech has become one of the fastest growing areas in the past few years. And today I'm going to discuss what exactly FinTech is, FinTech applications, how it is being used, and how big of a role that it plays in our day-to-day lives. Now, the startup ecosystem is filled with FinTech possibilities. Let us try to understand what it exactly is and what defines its scope. As always, if you find you have any questions while watching this video, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. We are more than happy to answer your questions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. So you find your daily mail waiting for you as you enter your home after a long day of work. You've received a check in the mail. You immediately open your bank's mobile app, take a picture, and upload it to deposit it. While on your smartphone, you also check your account for your monthly entertainment budget. Then you head out to meet your friends for dinner and you all use Venmo to split the tab. Later, all of you go to the bar where you pay for a drink using Apple Pay. After an enjoyable night, you call for an Uber, which you pay for with the stored credit card. Now, you may have noticed, FinTech was the unsung hero of your night. In 2020, FinTech is a big part of people's lives that are busy, trying to manage a schedule, and own a smartphone. And I bet that includes you. Back in the day, FinTech simply meant a financial institute's back-end technology systems. With time, its scope, tools, platforms, and services have all broadened. And if you're still wondering what FinTech exactly is, well, let's get into it. So what is FinTech exactly? FinTech is a word derived from financial technology, and it refers to any new technology that is used to improve and automate traditional financial services. Any company that offers financial services through software or other technology can be described as FinTech. It's changed the way consumers perceive, manage, and access their finances. FinTech has been used for many technological developments that have disrupted the traditional banking and financial industries to the extent that it threatens brick and mortar banks and financial institutes. Examples of that include mobile payment apps like Square, PayPal, or Venmo, all the way to cryptocurrency. So where do we find FinTech? From the bank's perspective, FinTech is used for both back-end processes like monitoring account activity to consumer-facing solutions like using an app to check the balance. Consumers use FinTech for taxation, budgeting, insurance, credit checks, stocks with hardly any prior investing experience. FinTech has transformed mundane tasks like transferring money or paying bills to technically intricate concepts like peer-to-peer lending or crypto exchanges. Businesses use FinTech applications for payment processing, obtaining loans, e-commerce transactions, accounting, and more recently, seeking government assistance like emergency wage subsidies. Startups like AirWallets facilitate businesses' international fund needs. Now, the pandemic has given a boost to FinTech-enabled features like contactless payments or other tech-fueled transactions. While most banks and credit unions had to close their doors physically, they've been able to offer support and services digitally. Digital platforms have eliminated the need to queue up at the banks or any other financial institutes, as well as have a shortened telephone service wait times. Now, let's have a look at some applications of FinTech technology. So let's start with Robo-Advising and stock trading apps. Robo-Advising offers portfolio management and asset recommendations based on algorithms with increased efficiency and lower costs compared to wealth management experts. Certain financial institutes now offer online robo-advising services. Stock trading apps have allowed investors to buy and sell stocks at the tap of a finger on their smartphones. And with apps like Acorns and Robinhood, investing has become inexpensive with any budget. Now let's have a look at crowdfunding platforms. These platforms let app and internet users send and receive money from others. They even let individuals and businesses pool funds from different sources in a single place. This eliminates the dependency on banks for loans. Instead, companies go straight to investors for support from platforms like GoFundMe, Kickstarter, Patreon, etc., etc. And there's also blockchain and cryptocurrency like BlockVerify, which is a service of blockchain that limits fraud by keeping provenance data on the blockchain. Exchanges like Binance and Huobi allows users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. FinTech's budgeting apps are the most popular and commonly used apps by consumers. They can now make monthly payments, track income, expenditure, and more on apps like Intuit and Mint. Gone are the days when budgeting meant making Excel spreadsheets and gathering checks and doing calculations to keep track of your finances. So there you have it. We've discussed what exactly FinTech is, how it's being used, some of its applications, and how big of a role it plays in our lives. Can you think of any more FinTech applications or ways that you interact with FinTech technology? Let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.